Please note, the following content discusses reported allegations of animal mistreatment and includes audio that some viewers may find distressing. Viewers say this Twitch clip crossed a line, and hours later the channel was gone. During a live stream, Twitch streamer ban.Here was seen reacting after her dog escaped its cage. Moments later, the dog can be heard yelping, and the audio sparked instant backlash. Clips spread fast. Many viewers accused her of hitting the dog. Tweets/comments flying in, "That sounded like abuse," "This is not okay." There is no public confirmation of legal charges, but the reaction was immediate. Shortly after the clip went viral, ban.Here's Twitch channel was banned. Twitch did not release a detailed public explanation. Ban later posted videos of her dog, suggesting the situation was exaggerated.
You get abused. Stop that shit. They talk about poor baby. When y'all find out how much you just pissed. Oh my god.
Six months ago, our lives changed forever.
Can't pet that dog. No, Louis is not fucking scared.
Was lost.
Louis wants to go play with the person that's behind me.
No longer surviving.
Louis so fucking dramatic. I actually don't like the dog. You beat the fuck out of him. Did y'all physically see me hit him? Did y'all physically see me hit him? Or did y'all hear him screaming?
This is Terry Rogers Collins.
Y'all see me physically hit him?
Xavier.
We heard. Did y'all hear it or did y'all see it? Bruh, we heard it. Both. No, you didn't.
Last 3 years, I've been underground bunker.
Seen and heard. No, the fuck you didn't.
Yeah, it's real.
What's it like?